everyone! Welcome to my channel, and I hope you're having a fantastic day today. I know I, for one, am super excited to be sitting down to film this video, although before I get into it, let me go ahead and introduce myself for those of you who are new. My name is Monica, and I love to post step-by-step sewing tutorials, as well as other sewing and fashion-related videos like fabric hauls and lookbook videos showing the clothes that I've made. So if you love to sew too, I'd so appreciate if you'd subscribe to my channel and join in on the fun. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for tuning back in. And today's video is all about celebrating all of you guys, all 15,000 of you. When I was at the coast a couple weeks ago, I hit 15,000 subscribers here on my channel, which was a milestone that I was just so blessed and honored to have reached. So thank you so much for helping me get this far. Y'all have made such an impact on my life, and I'm really grateful for all of your support. Each of your comments just means so much to me, and just knowing that you take the time to watch my videos is just so cool. I love being able to share what I love to do, which is sewing, with you guys, and to actually know that I'm teaching some people how to sew and that you actually make projects from my videos and getting to see those projects and pictures is really awesome. So thank you so much for all the love and support that you give me, and I'm really excited to be able to give back with this video and the giveaway that I'm hosting in honor of 15,000 subscribers. I'm really happy to announce that LA Finch Fabrics, which is an online fabric store that I love shopping from, has actually collaborated with me for this video to give one of you guys a $35 gift card to their store, which is a prize that is just so cool because I know you're going to be able to get lots of beautiful fabrics with it. And not only that, but they're also running a 20% off coupon code for the first week of this giveaway, so you're going to be able to get some really good deals with that too, because their stuff is already super affordable, so 20% off you definitely want to take advantage of. And I'll leave all their links in the description box below so you know where to go. But yeah, I love shopping there, and if you're new to shopping for fabrics online, they actually have information about each fabric within the description of the fabric. They describe how the fabric feels and what types of projects that fabric would be good for, so it's a really good guide to help you if you don't know the different types of fabrics yet. And that's kind of how I started shopping for fabric online, was thanks to all their descriptions and things like that. So I highly recommend them. And I want to thank you guys so much over at LA Finch Fabrics for working with me. It truly is an honor, and I'm so excited that someone else is going to be able to get a ton of great fabrics from your store. So thank you so much. This giveaway is open internationally, and make sure to read the rules in the description box for like the official contest rules and eligibility requirements. But the main thing I want you to do to enter is to leave a comment in the comment section, and because this is an international giveaway, let me know in that comment where you're from, because I love to be able to hear where everybody is at. Now obviously don't get too specific with the location, you gotta be safe on the internet, but I just love hearing what country or state everyone is from. And for those of you who don't know, I'm from North Carolina in the United States. So yeah, that's all you have to do to enter, and in a couple of weeks I'll be picking a winner. Thank y'all so much for taking the time to watch this giveaway. I really appreciate it, and I'm just super excited about the prize. And thanks again to LA Finch Fabrics for working with me for this giveaway. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I can't wait to share some of my sewing tutorials with you soon. When I was at the coast, I actually filmed a couple tutorials, and I'm almost done with one of them, so I should have that up fairly soon after this video. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in a video soon. Happy sewing, everyone. Bye.